How can I get a driver's license in Alberta? There are 3 types of driving licenses. The first type of license is the learner, Class 7 license. How do I get a learner, Class 7 license? 1. You must be at least 14 years old. You must have parental consent if you are under 18. 2. You must pass a knowledge test. Read the driver's guide, available online, to learn the rules of the road. Take the knowledge test. The knowledge test is available in 25 languages. 3. You must pass a vision test to make sure that you can see well enough to drive. Where do I take these tests? To take the knowledge and vision tests, go to a Government of Alberta registry office. What can I do with a learner Class 7 license? You can drive with someone over 18 who has a full Class 5 license. You cannot drive between midnight and 5 a.m. You also cannot drive after drinking any alcohol. The second type of license is the probationary, Class 5 GDL license. You must be at least 16 years old. You must have parental consent if you are under 18. You must have had a Class 7 license for at least 12 months. You must pass a road driving test. The third type of license is the full, non-GDL, Class 5 license. 1. You must be at least 18 years of age. 2. You must be suspension and demerit-free for the last 12 months. 3. You must have completed 24 months of probationary driving. You can reduce this time to 18 months by completing an approved driver education course. Congratulations, you've completed all the steps. For more information, visit Steps to Getting a Driver's License on the Government of Alberta's website.